Hello guys. In today's video I will show you how to make PayPal account in Pakistan. Just follow these simple steps. Type paypal.com in search bar and press enter. Change PK to PH in search bar and press enter. Now click the sign up button. Here choose business account and click next button. Now choose the following option and click the next button. Now enter your email and click continue. Remember, use a valid email because you will receive an email to activate the account. Now choose a password and click continue. Now enter all your details. Here you can see that Pakistan is showing in the list. Enter your personal mobile number. Remember, enter 1010 as zip code and choose any province or region you want. Choose US dollar as your primary currency. Now click Agree and Continue button. Here select the same options as shown in the video. Here choose your nationality as Pakistan, and enter your CNIC number. Now hit the button and your account will be created. You can add your bank account and card here. You will also receive email to confirm or activate your account. Just open your email and confirm your account.